Okay, this is a Brinks adjustable shackle padlock. Just slip this on, move the key, it locks. I'm going to show you how to lock an electrical cord plug like this using this. First you undo the shackle, then you take my patent pending device. You stick it into this device, take this, put it in there, and then stick it right back into the Brinks or master lock, and it locks. Not coming out, rotates a little bit, it's locked. Easily remove it. It only works on plugs that have a little pinhole, a little opening in here. Also works on 2-prong plugs. Take it, put it in, put the holder in, stick it back into your Brinks or master lock. Locks. Rotates. Prevents someone from using your treadmill, your charger, just anything that plugs in. Very easy. Open it up, comes out, remove the plug. Very easy.